Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Best English Club. My name is Sophia, and I'm so excited for our conversation today.
Hello, Sophia. Hello to our wonderful club members. I'm Adam, and I'm also very excited. Today's topic is something so many people ask about.
It is. It's probably the number one question we get. People say, Sophia, Adam, I can understand English when I watch movies or listen to your podcast, but when I try to speak, my mind goes blank.
Exactly. Or they say, I translate everything in my head first, and it's so slow. It's a very frustrating feeling. You know the words, but they just don't come out.
And we want to tell everyone listening, if you feel this way, you are not alone, and it is not your fault. It's a very normal part of learning a language. But the good news is, we can fix it.
That's right. Today, we are going to share some powerful but simple secrets on how to train your brain and your mouth to speak English fluently and confidently. This is a game-changing lesson.
It really is. But before we reveal these secrets, we want to say a huge thank you for being here. Please, if you find our lessons helpful, take a moment to subscribe to Best English Club. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Your support helps us create more lessons for you.
Yes, thank you all so much. Okay, Sophia, let's solve this big problem. Understanding is easy. Speaking is hard. Why?
That's the perfect place to start. Think of it this way. Listening and reading are input skills. You are receiving information. Your brain is just processing it. But speaking is an output skill. You have to create something from zero.
That's a great way to put it. It's like the difference between watching someone cook a delicious meal and actually cooking it yourself. Watching is easier, right? But to cook, you need to use your hands, remember the steps, and practice.
Exactly. Speaking is a physical activity. Your brain knows the English words, but your mouth, your tongue, your lips is not used to making the English sounds. It's trained to speak your native language. It's a muscle that needs new training.
The mouth is a muscle. I love that. So it's not just a brain problem, it's also a mouth problem. We need to train both. Let's start with the brain. How do we stop translating in our heads?
The most powerful technique is to start thinking in English. I know it sounds difficult, but you can start very, very small.
Start small? What do you mean? You don't mean thinking about philosophy or complex ideas in English right away, do you?
No, not at all. Start with single words. Look around you right now. What do you see? Instead of thinking of the word in your native language first, just think the English word. See a chair? Think chair. See a window? Think window. See a cup? Think cup.
Ah, I see. So you are creating a direct link between the object and the English word, with no translation in the middle. It's like labeling the world around you with English words in your mind.
Precisely. You do this for a few days. It feels a little strange at first, but it gets easier. After you are comfortable with single words, you move to simple phrases.
Simple phrases like what?
Very simple, everyday thoughts. For example, when you wake up, instead of thinking your usual thought, think, it's morning. I am tired. I need coffee. Stop.
I need coffee is a very important phrase for me to think in any language. But I see your point. When you are walking, you can think, I am walking. The sky is blue. It is a nice day.
Yes, you are narrating your own life in simple English, just inside your head. No one can hear you. There is no pressure, no fear of mistakes. This is your private brain gym.
A brain gym. I love it. So the goal is to make English the first language your brain uses for simple thoughts. Over time, this thinking muscle gets stronger and the need to translate disappears.
You explained it perfectly. It's about building a new habit. It takes time, but it is the most important step to becoming a fluent speaker. You can't build a house on a weak foundation. And for speaking, thinking in English is the foundation.
That's a fantastic tip. So, we've trained our brain. Now, what about our mouth muscle? How do we train it to actually say the words?
For this, my favorite technique is called shadowing. It's incredibly powerful, and you can do it alone.
Shadowing. It sounds mysterious, like you're following a shadow. How does it work?
It's very similar to that. You choose a short audio or video with a native speaker, like this podcast, for example. You listen to what they say, and you repeat it out loud, trying to copy them exactly. You are their shadow.
So if you say, "Hello, welcome to our channel," I should immediately say, "Hello, welcome to our channel," right after you?
Yes, but it's more than just repeating the words. You try to copy everything. The pronunciation, the rhythm, the intonation, the music of the language. When my voice goes up, your voice goes up. When I pause, you pause.
Wow. So you are not just practicing words, you are practicing the melody of English. You are teaching your mouth how to dance the English dance.
Haha, the English dance. That's a beautiful way to say it, Adam. And the most important rule of shadowing is, don't worry about understanding every single word. The goal here is not comprehension, it's physical practice for your mouth.
That's a relief. So even if I miss a word, I should just keep going and try to catch the next phrase? The point is to keep my mouth moving and making sounds.
Exactly. Just 5 to 10 minutes of shadowing every day can make a huge difference. Your mouth will start to feel more comfortable with English sounds, and your pronunciation will improve dramatically without you even realizing it.
Okay, so we have thinking in English for the brain and shadowing for the mouth. These are amazing. Is there another tip that connects them both?
Yes, the third secret is simple but so important. Talk to yourself out loud.
Okay, this might feel a little crazy for some people. Talking to yourself?
It might feel strange for a minute, but it is one of the most effective practice methods. Your home is your safe space. No one is judging you. You can be your own conversation partner.
So, what can I talk about? My day?
Anything. You can narrate what you're doing, just like we did for the thinking exercise, but this time, you say it out loud. Okay, I am in the kitchen. I am making a sandwich. I need bread, cheese, and tomatoes.
I see. So I am connecting the thinking in English part with the mouth training part. I'm thinking the English words and then immediately making my mouth say them.
You got it. It's the perfect bridge between thinking and speaking. You can describe what you see out the window. You can read a short story from a book out loud. You can even pretend you are ordering food in a restaurant. Hello, I would like a pizza, please.
And the best part is, there is zero pressure. You can make mistakes, you can correct yourself, you can speak slowly. It's your private practice session. This is a brilliant tip, Sophia.
It really is. And it builds so much confidence. When you get used to hearing your own voice speaking English, it becomes less scary to speak with other people.
That's so true. Confidence is a huge part of speaking, which brings me to our final and maybe most important point, the mindset. What if I'm afraid of making mistakes?
That is the biggest wall for most learners. And my advice is this: you have to embrace your mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your best teachers.
Mistakes are teachers. I like that. Every time you make a mistake, it's a sign that you are trying. You are learning. No one speaks a new language perfectly from day one. Not even us.
Absolutely not. And you have to remember, when you speak to a native speaker, they are not judging your grammar. They are happy that you are trying to communicate with them in their language. They will focus on your message, not your mistakes.
That's a great point. We focus so much on our small mistakes, but the other person is just happy to have a conversation. So, be kind to yourself. It's okay to be imperfect.
It's more than okay. It's necessary. Also, embrace your accent. Your accent is not a mistake. It's a part of your identity. It tells a story of where you come from. A beautiful accent is one that is clear and easy to understand, not one that sounds perfectly American or British.
That's so encouraging to hear. So don't be afraid of mistakes and be proud of your accent. Focus on clear communication, not perfection.
Exactly. Confidence is not about being perfect. Confidence is about knowing you can communicate your ideas, even with mistakes. It's about being brave enough to try.
Wow, that was so powerful, Sophia. Let's do a quick recap of these amazing secrets.
Great idea. So, to train your brain and mouth to speak English fluently.
Secret number 1. Train your brain by thinking in English. Start with single words. Then, move to simple phrases. Narrate your life inside your head. Stop translating.
Secret number 2. Train your mouth with shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say out loud. Copy their pronunciation and rhythm. It's a physical workout for your mouth.
Secret number 3. Practice speaking by talking to yourself. Narrate your actions out loud at home. This connects your brain and your mouth. It's a zero-pressure practice.
And secret number 4, build your confidence with the right mindset. Embrace your mistakes as your teachers and be proud of your unique accent. Focus on communication, not perfection.
That is a perfect plan. It's clear, practical, and very encouraging. I feel like I can go and become a better speaker right now.
You can, and so can everyone listening. The key is consistency. Just 10 to 15 minutes of this kind of practice every day is much better than 2 hours once a week.
Little by little, a little becomes a lot. That's our motto. Well, our time is almost up. This was such an important conversation.
It was. And now it's your turn to practice. We have a question for all our amazing Best English Club members.
Yes, please go to the comment section below and tell us, which of these 4 secrets will you try first? Will you try thinking in English, shadowing, talking to yourself, or working on your confidence?
We would absolutely love to read your plans. Sharing your goal is the first step to achieving it. Let's support each other in this journey.
And of course, if you found this lesson helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to Best English Club. Click that like button and share this video with anyone who feels stuck with their English speaking.
Your support truly means the world to us. Thank you for being here and for being part of our club. We will see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to speak.
Bye, Adam. Bye, everyone.